Welcome to our Splunk SPL tutorial series. Today's focus is on the mvmap command, a powerful tool for transforming multi-value items. The mvmap command allows you to apply eval expressions to each individual value within multi-value fields, making it an essential command for data manipulation in Splunk. This command is particularly useful when you need to perform the same operation on multiple values stored in a single field, eliminating the need for complex loops or multiple search commands. The mvmap command is designed to apply eval expressions to each value in multi-value fields. Think of it as a way to transform multiple values simultaneously using a single expression. The primary purpose of mvmap is to streamline data transformation processes by allowing you to perform operations on all values within a multi-value field at once. This makes your Splunk searches more efficient and your code cleaner, as you can accomplish complex transformations with minimal syntax. The basic syntax for the mvmap command is straightforward. It takes two main parameters, the field name and the expression to apply. The syntax is map, followed by the field parameter which represents the multi-value field name, and the expression parameter which is the eval expression you want to apply to each value. The command returns a transformed multi-value field where each original value has been processed through your specified expression. Let's look at a practical example. Here we start by creating a sample dataset with make results, then create a field called numbers containing comma-separated values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We use mockum to convert this into a proper multi-value field, and then apply mvmap to create a new field called doubled. The expression uses single quotes around x multiplied by 2, where x represents each individual value from the numbers field. The result is a new multi-value field containing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The mvmap command isn't limited to numerical operations. It excels at string transformations as well. In this example, we have names Alice, Bob, Charlie in a multi-value field. Using mvmap with the upper function and single quotes around x, we can convert all names to uppercase simultaneously. The transformation changes Alice, Bob, Charlie into Alice, Bob, Charlie. Notice how the single quotes around x represent each individual value as mvmap processes through the multi-value field. The true power of mvmap emerges when working with complex expressions. Here we have prices 10.5, 25.0, 15.75. Using mvmap, we can apply a complex expression that multiplies each price by 1.08 for tax calculation, then rounds the result to 2 decimal places. This demonstrates how mvmap can combine mathematical operations, function nesting, and precision control all within a single command, making it incredibly versatile for advanced data processing. The mvmap command has numerous practical applications in real-world scenarios. Common use cases include mathematical operations like calculations and conversions, string formatting such as case changes or adding prefixes and suffixes, date conversions for timestamp manipulation, and data type casting when you need to convert values from one format to another. Quick examples include using upper with single quotes around x for text transformation, concatenating strings with x plus underscore suffix, rounding numbers with round x, 2, and formatting dates with strftime x and date format strings. Let's summarize the key points about mvmap. First, it transforms all values simultaneously, making it highly efficient for bulk operations. Second, always use single quotes around x to reference each individual value within the multi-value field. Third, you can combine mvmap with any eval function, giving you unlimited flexibility in data transformation. The mvmap command is perfect for bulk transformations on multi-value fields without requiring loops or complex logic. Master mvmap for efficient multi-value processing, and you'll significantly improve your Splunk search capabilities. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.